Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I got my hair like this, then keep on watching. So I am not a fan of the ball cap method. I just use a simple mesh black wig cap with my braids to the back, and yeah, this is the lace. The hair is from Luvme Hair. It is pre-cut and pre-plucked, so I just use a tinted mousse to make sure it blends in with my hair. Never seen a mousse like this, so it was a learning curve for sure. And it's super easy to apply this wig because of that band. It makes it the perfect fit. You don't even have to use the combs that are in there, but I do anyway because I like my wig to be secure. Now I've had this wig for a few months now, so I did have to tame it a little bit, brush it down. I am gonna go in and hot comb it. I'm just, getting it together. I do want to see about pulling my hair to the back a little bit, giving that scalp like effect, but yeah, doing this really makes it look more natural simply because that bump does not look natural. Your natural hair does not have a bump in the part, And this is my lazy method because I'm just gonna go in with some got to be spray the edges, lay it down, and then I am gonna end up wrapping a scarf around my head, but I'm just playing with the edges, seeing what I can do, and making this as easy as possible. And once I'm done spraying all around my scalp, I am going in with this lace melt spray. I've never heard of this until recently, so I wanted to give it a try and make sure to get the middle because that's where you see the most of the lace anyhow. And then I just like to dap it with a little napkin, make sure I get all the excess out so it can blend to its best ability. Next I'm going in with some edge control, and I'm blending the edges within my hair that is left out to make it look more realistic. Once I got the edges to my liking, I'm just gonna wrap it around with this band from Icy Beauty. Undo my ponytail, and it's time to style. Yes, I had to go back over to make sure these bumps are flat as possible. Then I'm going section by section to curl my hair, and I haven't done this type of curl in a long time, so I am like screwing up a little bit in the beginning. This is about, I want to say, a 1-inch barrel. Now usually I would just curl and go down and curl and go down, but for this hair, for whatever reason, it seemed easier to do it this way, and the curls, they come up pretty nicely. And now that I am done curling my hair, it is time to take this headband off and see the results of the melting of the lace. And it looks pretty good. I've never really, done a lace before and felt comfortable with wearing it out in public, but I feel pretty comfortable in this one. I really like it. Tell me what you think. Have you tried a Luvme Hair Wig before? And is there something or a different brand that you would like me to try? Make sure you comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification.